the blood leak alarm can be overridden. Make sure the effluent line and effluent bag do not contain blood. Check the membrane for blood leaks. Press the No Override button. Press Reset Alarm. Therapy will automatically restart. In case of an erroneous alarm, press the Temporary Override button. The blood leak detection alarm is temporarily disabled. Blood detection remains active. Press Confirm. Press Reset Alarm. Therapy will automatically restart. The machine counts the number of blood leak detection alarms and displays it using the blood leak status icon. The blood leak status icon is also visible on the screensaver. While the blood leak detection alarm is in override mode, periodically check the effluent line and effluent bag for blood. Check the membrane for blood leaks. Blood leak detection alarms in temporary or permanent override mode can be reactivated. Select Functions on the menu bar. Press the blood leak detection icon in the lower left corner. The blood leak detection screen will appear. Press the No Override button and confirm.